Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asteria of Team Tyra. If you are meeting me for the first time, thank you for clicking. Today we are continuing with part 2 of our video, of our last video, hiking video. So please, in this video, part 2 of the video, you are going to see how we go to the top of the mountain. Like we have ended the video somewhere halfway. So here I'm just going to show you guys how we have managed to get to the top of the mountain. So thank you for clicking. If you are new to this channel, hello and welcome. Please do subscribe and like and comment. Leave a sweet comment down below. Tell me, how do you think about the video? Are you motivated? Would you love to do something like this or no? So yeah, we have it's the highest mountain, although in the video it looks like it's not really, but trust me, it's very high. And if you are watching me from Okahandja, tell me, have you tried getting up to this mountain before or not yet? Is it something that you are thinking of doing or no? So if you did, tell me, how was your experience? How did it feel? Because trust me, my legs was feeling heavy, was feeling my legs were very numb, like getting numb. I couldn't lift my legs. And funny enough, I didn't feel the pain for after a day. But then yesterday, which was no, it was a Tuesday. Yesterday, which was Tuesday, and today, Wednesday, that's when I feel like my legs are so very much so, like so painful. And yeah, if you like this video, please stay tuned and stay until the end of the video. If this is something that you like and you would like to do, or you feel you are motivated, let me know in the comment section below. So once again, thank you very much for always watching. To my new subscribers, thank you for deciding to join the family. Almost here. My old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos.
See, even the child, these are people that came from behind us. They are already here, so we have to go. This is tough, you guys. Come on. Oh. No, what? We're almost here. And you guys, if I tell you that it's easy, I'm lying. Yo, the other one there, the other one standing said she could feel her heart beating through her armpit. No, I want to. Oh God, we have to rest. Yeah, those people that are coming from behind us, we shouldn't overtake us. Let me sit. To come the next day. Yeah, no. Oh, it's not easy. Almost there. We have to make it We have to get to the top of the mountain. Man, at least this year I wanted. I should also climb this mountain. Eh? Hi, I'm about to just overcome, overtake, and what? It's overcome, it's overtake, and
all those English words now.
yes, all the English words. They went up there, so I have to go. I'm coming, I'm even running. That is our town behind. Yo, when you're up here, the town seems to be in the valley. Like that view there. That is a view of our town. Hey! We are still going on top there. It still looks dangerous. But we have to move. We have to move. Lord, give me all the strength I need. God, we're almost here. Come on. I overcame. Hallelujah. Woohoo! We made it, you guys. Come on.
Yeah? Can you dive it?
We have reached the cross. There is a city.
Whoa. Oh my God. Wow. Time to lie down.
Continue there. Go to the cross. We have reached, you guys. Yo, look at the dam. You have done it. Come now. Do I have to move? I have made it, you guys. I have made it. I made it. Yo. Oh. If you like this video and you want more of this video, just leave a comment down below. Tell me, like, if it was you, would you have made it to the top of this mountain? Like, I don't know. We started our journey at almost 50 minutes past 4 p.m. and I just need to confirm now as to what time it is. Like, so it's 5:40, like 40 minutes past 5. So it's like a whole hour that we have been walking from the ground to the top. Like, it took us a whole hour. That is really over there. So thank you so much. Please like this video, share this video with others in case this video might encourage somebody out there that just want to embark on a losing weight journey and need some discouragement or some motivation. So just share this video on your community, YouTube community. Share this video on your social media platform. Let other people also be inspired and be encouraged and be motivated. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I post a video, and also so that you can join the team. Yes, we have to be happy.
Next time we will run and eat.
Thank you. Bye.
There is Monkey Monday.